4b here is a test of whether or not we know the quotient rule. So the lingo or the phrase that we use to remember it is low d high minus high d low all over low squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is I don't like and really want to worry about this 3. So I'm just going to put it out front of my derivative. I can do that. So k prime of x is equal to, just like if I had, say I had 3 sine of x and I asked you to derive it. Well, you would say, oh, that's 3 cosine of x. So that 3 just kind of stays out front. So I can derive this piece and get this piece and just leave the 3 out front. So that's what I'm going to do here. Get this guy out of the way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put the 3 in front of my fraction that I'm going to get for my quotient rule. So I do low, g of x, d high, f prime of x, minus high. High is f of x. So the high is f, oops, and the low is g. Hopefully you understand that. Minus, so high d low. So d low is g prime of x. And then that's all over low squared. So I like to write g of x squared, like that. You can also write g squared of x, just like we had sine and cosine squared. So from here, it's really just a matter of plugging things in. Leave the 3 out front, deal with the fraction, and then worry about what we get. So notice we are doing this at k equal to 3. Or sorry, x equal to 3 for k prime. So g, I guess I'll change colors. Alright, g of 3. So I'm plugging 3 in for every x value here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. They're no longer x's. So, g of 3, well, go over 3. G of 3 is 1, so I get a 1. Then f prime of 3, well, that's the one right below it. It's negative 1. So I get 1 times negative 1. Minus f of 3 is negative 2. So I get negative. Actually, what I'm going to do is just change that to a plus to make less stuff to deal with later. So plus 2 times g prime of 3 is 2. So times 2. All over g squared of 3. So that means take g of 3, which is 1, that's nice, and square it, which gives me equal to negative 1 plus 4 over 1, which is really just negative 1 plus 3, or sorry, it's 3 over 1, which is 3. Oh, you know what I did? I forgot that guy. So I need to multiply it by 3 on the outside. So I get 3 times 3, which is 9. I blame the colors. I blame the colors. So my answer is 9. Hopefully you're good with that.